bigger shortage.
Right, yes, exactly. So I'll give this feedback to our central minister in Nagpur. My wife comes from Nagpur, stays 3 blocks away, that we had a wonderful discussion on driver because he's trying to do the driver cabin air condition, if you have heard this before. So thank you so much. And second one, I want to know from you later on one-to-one, how to make yourself so popular on the stage. And that's I need to learn from you actually, because everybody seems to actually popularize Ronak here. Thank you so much guys for your presence and your questions. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it. Well done.
Thank you, Sanjay bhai.
Let's applaud for all the speakers. Thank you to all the speakers for insightful session. May we gather for a group photo. Thank you so much. Let's applaud once again for all the speakers. Okay, 10th CHEMLOG India, thank you. 10th CHEMLOG India is powered by National Logistics partner VTrans Logis, knowledge partner DGM India Private Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for a networking break and visit to the exhibition. We'll regroup in sharp 15 minutes. Please make a note of it. We'll regroup in sharp 15 minutes by 12 o'clock. For the next segment of the conference. I'll see you on the other side of the break. Thank you.